Mhm. Yeah. Yeah.
One omission windows, them over the back, and on my part, nominating other categories. Now then, that it puts Amazo's total engagement up to six.
Yeah.
And if you look at it critically, then Amado needs to be in the Artist of the Year category. If they are being
Mhm.
fair, he
Mhm.
needs to be in the Artist of the Year category.
Mhm.
Now, the woman I am against Empire against the leader. Yeah, against the artist when you be a two quite a woman shoot to Amadonia and see a camera.
Okay.
There is a sister who go to people and will say no, you are. At you, Ghana Music Awards, you come out and you're supposed to see you're supposed to work and the Koma, the Kobo, Pepa, the Boko, who will put to them, they cook. Now the Papa, who bar to change a football and let's near the idea. No sooner come
Yeah.
a year the review, I went to Ghana. Okay, so my
Yeah.
exploits outside Ghana should also be considered the same way my exploits in Ghana.
Mhm.
Okay, so the
Yeah.
Kobo show was Bushia. Not me, I'm going to say, I was on the bush to Ghana. One time, the mama said, or say, one second. In the back, I can see a
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
The only time that people come in with they show the name of Ghana, but what are you trying to tell me? If I perform inland and I did not sell entertainment to the people, of course that is what you can. Okay.
Yeah.
It is the analysis will be a while. It will be a while that I'm not really going to be the artist of the year category. Or the name or year. I'm not going to be the review as one of the good artists, weekend by weekend.
Yeah.
I'm not going to go many things will be like one would say actually get three or maybe but one would say actually get three he means with the total nomination and was so cool. Now never saw why I really we have the team, other to encourage people other than to encourage. What they are there. And
Yeah.
what's that team, I want there, only what to encourage a lot of people. What they are there, to
Yeah.
encourage people. Open a particular on some of the days. After an award team, and after award night, there are so many losers and winners.
Yeah.
So is that.
Yeah. Yeah. Cause
Before award,
category baako biya timi wo nipa 6-5. And so when baako pɛ ne benya.
losers, on the night, they don't say winners.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I do problem.
Mm.
Because another can to be an example to a young person has to be a what they do and what they say. So the problem is what they can be here, human plan happy. You didn't do, now you go to Waha. Maybe you are qualified to be the artist of the year. Same way we don't value our local youth, that is how it's becoming of the PGA artist of the year category. Only as well, Ghana has one guy in Faluta, me jump program, but let me quickly start on Faluta and you. The
Okay.
conversation between Faluta and only the boy from Google artist of the year category. Fabina Omoya Nanama.
Opemsuo.
Papa Edu, Baku, Nano, Nampa, International Nigeria, I think Nigeria, I know what he said.
Aye.
Nigeria,
Aye.
I don't see a thing or I don't know, one for going for the
Yeah.
yeah, can have the local impact. And category definition, category and new artist of the year has its own definition. An artist with a special song that opinion identity through that. And for black Christian, and maybe the one you're going to
Menya sure.
maybe that last week was the last week that I interviewed and speak with person in platform. I didn't know one of
Mm. Me
them.
kwade me share ne da nye so obi na be kan bia nipa wona ho na mabusa se na hwan ni na ye se olive the boy am nye sure se mu na metima pempo etino.
No player back then, and not no one can tell him money
Yeah.
he accepted that the boy has deficiency when it comes to food.
Yeah.
So the conversation shouldn't be on that level. be on say, oh, now, international, this is Ghana Music Awards. Our express in England should be of high value to us, just as place abroad. Ghana is with you. So virtually, I think also on omissions, the only part I mean, once Amado's nomination moves to 6, he needs to be in the Artist of the Year category because there are people in there with far less. I mean, this year on that, you can't say Blacko did good job in the year and the review on count.
Yeah.
On count, bangers by bangers, you cannot compare Nasi to Amado, the year and the review. Never do that. It will be one of the biggest crimes you've ever committed in your life.
Yeah.
Yes, so the captain Nasi, any Amado, any Jumape, that be Artist of the Year. And your numbers, any activities around you. So what are the numbers? How is the numbers looking for Kokwanansi? Go and check on all the, yes, you can check the number of millions. Almost 3 million. After getting show for Tabo Boy, and Nasi is actively in Artist of the Year category, and Amado is not in there. What are we doing? As a group of people, then grabbing the airport. I was thinking what I've been married to. And people are not talking about it. When we began to say, the year and the review, yes, he did a lot of tours, the Europe tour, America tour, I think the Ghana also done your tour,
yeah.
But then, month to month, I think we will be a par with Amado. This song here, when we began to say, Amado, Ella, your mother, a bit of stone boy, what category in any province or what category in ma, or one number pretty much bigger than Amado. Amado qualifies to be in there. When category you being free, you will be in shape. No, you will be free, but no for Amado to count.
Jesus Lemon, with that being said, people are also of the view, say, artists based in Kumasi here, Omo music, or more and finding a way to sell their music more beyond the region. Ibu just a free region Nimuako. And in this particular year, TGMA award nominees now. Regardless of artists staying in Kumasi and doing their music, Kumasi-based artists has been recognized at least well per the number of artists churning out from Kumasi. Yeah, and the review more hating on BBI woman. This conversation about Amrado being in the Artist of the Year category, a good, laudable, but then a gradual process. Now they are recognizing the work being done here as part of any other work. Can you tone it down on that conversation and concentrate on getting most of these nominations, awards from it, then we can make a case and then move on with it. Only on Monso, do they know how Kumasi music, the ethnic recognition they say, do they know how it was done? No. Do they know how it was done? It's because now there are a lot of Kumasi-based media people actively occupying the media space here in Accra and amplifying our sound here. Okay.
Okay, I say.
Yeah.
Your phobia of Kumasi as you see, they are even part of the VGMA board. Me, I'm on the VGMA Academy. CGMA Academy. I've been an academy member for a while.
Nice.
Now there are a lot of people that are in there that are actively pushing for us representation to be there. Nice. It is sometimes, it's not, yes, the artists, they have contributed by putting out the good song and all that. But amplification, let's talk about it. And I think that's the case here, remember, Godfather and the best.
Yeah.
For actively activating Kumasi music in Accra. Yeah. Right in front of their noses for them to know. Let's truth be told, Mr. Black, you don't hear anything coming from Kumasi. I must be as honest with you as possible. But when you really take Kumasi, you're not fat. you're about a funny one, me about the activity. I say, God be so good. Somebody like myself, I have a platform that these people watch. And through that, or they are getting to know that. So, big ups to the artists for their contribution, and also big ups to some of us who are activating commercial music. But we are not stopping. And then, to me, can say, you guys say, I'm artist of the year. I'm going to artist of the year. I'm going to to Sam Rabbit. We try one, look at it, but one, very blue, will be at the red. It's a fighting for. It's not fair to rent here, but no more the young or and then
Just let me, Yanya Widia, give us more insights about this, about TGM and now you're moving on and share other sectors. Sister Fia.
For TGM, let me wrap up with the new artist of the year category.
Okay, now we are maybe sour idea about it. I walk the board in so no. But my clarification be especially about Sister Fia nomination Tamba, the Okai and the response supposedly or more free hobai and inti. Oh, we are not the answer to us now. Why in the TGM?
For education purposes, we need board, many academy.
Oh, academy, okay. Okay.
I'm in the academy. I'm not on the board.
Okay.
Different levels.
Okay.
The board on the main penny. I think the board, Francis Doku and God being so good, we are very own and the best in show a board should be.
Okay.
So yes, but I believe it's over time there might be more people being added to the board. Almost a bit my boy in our agenda, but I just wanted to clarify that I'm not on the board. I'm on academy level.
Thank you very much for the clarification.
New artist of the year category, the Osekunsi can need a year under review or review, and I want to big him up. Osekunsi is Junapa, and he's been able to. Wakabo need to be a man who are enviable, and I love it so much. The Osha. The year under review, the number of bangers are any features are wire. If there's anybody that is next or will probably give or should give Kimpalita a good answer when it in CB is equal to me. Only the boy comes third or fourth in the list.
Okay.
Third or fourth in the list. I just wanted to put this one out there because there's been conversation around these things. So, and I'm a good amount for you, agenda, social media, and so we're moving the moment. And the Bawa, and the Bawa, on the highway. Let's be as real with each other as possible. Let us say your numbers, if it's a local number, it should be respected as foreign numbers. That is what I wanted to say.
Okay. Okay. With Sister Fiadia maybe say nominations never out initially. I think when your nomination in it, and then we saw a post of her accent say Ade Bonnie Ben Waye Unimboni and Waye, but it keeps on repeating say year after year. And the songs be on my open in a certain category, it doesn't come. It be a no, a boy do. With the errors and omissions, people were also of the view say when I want trokeke, just as Omodia Basa would me trauma, it shouldn't just be a Facebook post or something, no, on trunk come on. You being in the industry, you being the senior in it, and so I want to know say if you have any knowledge about say Stefia de no truck or more. And I respond to be a yet one from Memuno say or Matra say she just doesn't meet the criteria no per the unim no wadaroma. Is it true? Bibisa one responded in the side the man and say she just doesn't fit in the category, and I say just one of them.
Me say that after but me say I think right after you post
yeah
social media so all about not being nominated near that. But there's one thing that artists should know that when it comes to TGM, number one, you need to fill in the form.
Okay.
Unless the year under review, when your monster hits, even if you don't feel the scheme will do its research and capture.
Okay.
The scheme now more research or more. So the research will capture you, and they will let them that you look. Even though this artist did not file for nomination, there was still a yeah. But I mean, numbers for
numbers for the song that Sister Fia is talking about. I'm in cardboard rules, but I'm just thinking like them.
Okay.
The numbers, and numbers are a bit to be qualifying for a category that they will not add here.
Regardless of church Robert trauma or more another complaint you would raise, no.
You can file for nomination, but if the song itself, any numbers around it are a lot bigger, they wouldn't nominate it. Okay. Because why now you see? Every category, little 5 million. 5 will be our 20 million views plus. Maybe we'll be 40 million, maybe 30 million, maybe 25, maybe see. So we have 5 million. There do I come. Mr. Mark, what's going to make an answer? So, it's a numbers game.
Okay.
It's a numbers game.
Okay.
Yeah.
DJ Slimin, one particular the inter me frewa me pesi e behwe kakaye. Se obi a wonim wo no. Obi a bia won follow woni de bi obetima ka se onhunu the works you've been churning out there. But obi obe follow bia would recognize say street is watching or particular show ya we interviewing people. There are a whole lot of conversations are crazy when it comes to you talking to each and every artist or about show you so. And then there's one thing about you yet descending to the fact that there's always something in it that more of like advises the people, either the artist himself or either the general public listening to you. Wow, Niabema. Wow, Niabema, cause me who say, call the what should be meaning just industry talk. Say we or Kazim no and can ya or kind of na. It doesn't mean he's no more your brother. Shatawale, any Stonebwoy issues he has been up and down. Now Kumasi simple now you're based in Kumasi on radio here in Kumasi no in Eba you had your baiting saying you not being in Kumasi Eba you have your channel, you have your platform, Street is Watching, which you've been doing a lot on it. You still say it. The issue about Shatawale Ede Stonebwoy disability no it's been back and forth. Meaning so will vary of opinions about it. On Opemsuo Radio 104.7. Person born it off mame. Your view on this whole brouhaha because Shatansu claim he say Stonebwoy and so the unknown so no nyamia body no. But there is a twist to be a candidate. I just want to get your view on Opemsuo 104.7 DJ Slim.
It's a lot of that and I mean Shatta who's Mabeka, I mean, if we are being to ourselves, how I or making some Ghana, as one money, could be or Ghana happy. Oh, I don't really starting because you see me and Kapapa and the trade that be it is a let me do attempt from the one not to be attended. When forgetting the only amount only before and or no before. Just was the back that to put the kind of nothing.
There we
started in a nice way.
Yeah.
Over 10 years I can make you. I can over 10 years I can make you. But I want to use for it live. Facebook Live, for about 10 years. That attempt. That is like 3,650 days.
The BOD attempt.
3,650 days. Again, that BOD attempt. So automatically, you can't plan out to know anything to be at India. Say you are out in India.
Okay.
me defend this somewhere and I don't support it at all. But I think they just need to be fair in this deal. Sure, I will go to so I know kind of want to say one more then next time to be a daddy. Who next stone boy manager? So one more no you know the first one. If I will event organizer. Event in a new event. And one now book you. And a new ticket. Like you pay me or Ghana ha or what up to me because I now. We won't come because you treat your even Baba Sadiq show now begin at them. Baba Sadiq last year she took $120,000 for a show. One call. I water radio with the ticket. When it comes to not could be water with the crazy. One call. You let an outfit take a time for nothing. Oh, you won't come home. The number of times you book for sure. I'm not saying I look around found and also you don't qualify to talk about this issue. At a time, any a time you I know I'm going to and a bit but too much for that. You are too big. The only artist you are featured Beyonce. And it probably be the only. So even your life, you will free and that's the biggest mileage that any artist can change any artist's career around.
Yeah.
But a typical transformer mentor, as dumb as he is, he finds a way to just mess everything up. Now the relationship Stoneboy David baby. So David bomb at the first square garden. Not the bed.
Yeah.
He indirectly introduced Stoneboy to 50,000 people.
Yeah.
We're introducing it to 50,000 people. The relationship that you had with Burna Boy, you couldn't keep it. So Burna couldn't introduce you to another 70,000 people anyway.
Yeah.
You know, the disability for extra echo, some woman 15 days. And I think yesterday we responded a part of.
Yeah.
It was a very, very insensitive challenge. Mr. Black. Hey, yo, wait. So now, no, it's not or three stone by nine. It's a part of the fun being in a one and nine.
Be brain edge and a hokro, omukra, a crutches.
Omukra crutches, the whole I body so. Now, you are saying, you so excellent. You say, Satan, you can make time ready to and say, maybe an argument, maybe a pen drive with them. I'm playing argument. He keeps running on one who down on one. If you are on the autopilot and on one and running on down, you have a company called Saxi, right?
Yeah.
I ride really. I say that need to know you can say, I say, okay, Apple, Emma, France. Now, I say for and one why I'm not best for. Go up me by the day. Now, by the because I want safety.
Now, what catch him? Say, question boy.
No, what catch him? Say, question boy. Image. I then I have this is not no. Oh wow! And this will be what maybe said Nigeria. Oh no! We are even trying to help him not to destroy himself. We want to stop him from destroying himself.
DJ Slim, do you believe that Shatta is being managed? And I say, can he ever be managed by someone?
No. It's impossible. You can't manage Shatta. It's impossible. The number of people or the type of people that I know who were not able to manage him.
Or the apology letter signed by the manager Samuel Etuababa. Would you say we there or can be an answer be answer so Stoneboy Camp never responded, but then the people at large never form hono show concern, we show remorse. Wapacha and either you feel say yeah remorse, and then also is it a guarantee say obit my the obey be as no Stoneboy store best ni be a name mum the disability in the own fancy ni be on pay ne apology letter or their bay.
And you guys shouldn't expect Shatta will not hit a Stoneboy again. It's going to happen. It's going to happen. As you say, that kind of disability in what and there, I cannot predict, but it's still going to happen. You still find a way to bully the young man, and I just think, as this physically disabled association, they did well by first and foremost looking out for their members, and also doing schooling as said. Also, and manable to no action, and there's a penalty for that. It's 6 months jail term. Into Unimua, also we additional amount. So be already done. You could never do so. And Nano, any the Pacoyan, I just thought to show me and running the deal. For Saturday, I mean, it's mental state, Mr. Black. That's a narcissist that we are dealing with. It's a narcissist, and never can we with the decision.
Well,
we shouldn't expect that. It work as a own can work in baby.
Yeah, they always have in one of their lives.
The onus now lies on Stoneboy to reply or not. And I believe Stoneboy's direction right now, he is focused on so many things because artists are very easy or one of them in the year. Don't even breaking correct this song. The guy is trying to get there.
I don't know on senior man in those show Kofi Kinataka says a hits in the door so now. Unya go this song you move out.
No hit song drop on the Ghana the correct song. One hit song, and evidence very clear. I mean, we are in the 4th month or so in the year.
Yeah.
Let's say go and check the number of songs that Shatta released.
The features can one the amount for a feature name fan can one as on one of songs.
So there it's on one can be inquire. It came over 70.
I think go on.
I think 4 months.
Yes, yeah, to us, the Kaya a year some but also. Quadron cancel win. Akaste crew at the shooting a movie a country called Ghana. May 17th you will premiere on no platform newsman who's where the home come the bit you can do no Munina my best to promote, especially when the trailer came out, but then I think say how a ban and I'm trying to find, but I think say Kwadwo Sheldon Kwadwo cancer mum they can say he wouldn't want Kwadwo Sheldon talk about his show, say BBC and a trigger there no. Now all of a sudden, Yenya Kwadwo cancel away now all can repeatedly say born in the Indian free man industry talk. I believe that. But then the main issue near say Odin Komo say the Kwadwo Sheldon and on pay starting from flyers say the Kumasi Avengers to we Kwadwo say Kwadwo Sheldon so responded on Fifi Prad show. Said the Kwadwo can did kwa I back and forth baby. But we share will be on our platforms. So share some with us.
Yes.
You be more on inside.
Well, if you know, I think that I'll be one of the biggest music breakdown platform. Let me try it pushing in the fan to that. To the in front of that, if you are adding time, a year of quarter and you know, I really buy a maybe country called Ghana. If we start some new, aspect thumbnail.
Yeah.
Anyway, a trigger automatically because no fan say Kumasi Avengers and a Lil Wayne ever become, but no, yes, sir.
Yeah.
The thing say Lil Wayne are some the best of the best. And no more bad yet. Yeah. Because the Avengers is supposed to be the best of the best superheroes. Summit. It is the man say opportunity and a chance for education. Did you say that on fact English had no fan threat on the penny ever near me? The attention car or who are Avengers now on theatre. No one be sensing expressing a panel. But I say Nipano was a meeting Canada. It who that the food. But who say Casimo or Commission with Shua or more a young trailer and big down or because a trailer. You need to me and catch it certain no 1980s and after 1970s. Not moving in a colored movie. It's impossible.
Yeah.
Because after that time, that color mine.
Yeah.
So the whole movie should be shot in black and white.
Yeah.
Or it can be shot in color and graded black and white.
Yeah.
And no, and not the all his movie in 2024 by a black and white because certain 60s and now 50s. The setting for a country called Ghana, a colonial era, of which technology was available, not as bright and as clear as we have now. In the old grade, and the old grade, not the old it back to our age. It is only a new to technology at that time, camera at that time. Let me know chat. So creatively, that is what we do. Two, if you are watching the final movie, not final movie, no, because trailers are just to get your appetite for the main meal. Yeah. And in fact, there are times that trailers in the channel, because the next week, the trailers will be me. Since no trailer anymore, no, it didn't final video.
It didn't need the final video, that the final workout there, no.
The final workout there, not trailer, since the trailer, it didn't mean one. If you are on to a country called Ghana, the world southern count also alien. So that I think Korean country are very, very exclusive these days. Let's mention Tony down because Asma or can't say Mr. Logic, ADV toffee because of Asma party about the country called Ghana. And me, Mr. Logic, I interview, I ever drop point. I think until the Afghana, I have seen it with my eye. A defamation lawsuit.
Hey.
I have seen it.
Yeah, could you no? Now, just themselves allow yourself to have said, no, can't the air West change say now, because you can be a defamation suit there.
Young father saying, you know, this year. We did not the boss, Mr. Black, we did not the boss. Why, anything? And then, the Ashna, Mr. Quentin, Mr. Henry. Yeah. It's all that. Yeah. So, okay, be some Nami Papono, I'm funny to the commissioner. And then, it become the own to me, Franco. Yeah. And I'm the free. And I don't catch a who can be at the other place now, the very of the shade. Yeah. Let's just be a little bit measured in some of the, of course, I'm familiar now. After my kid, I say, Mr. Logic say, a country called Ghana. Movie at the Netflix near that platform that is yesterday. And then countrymen be in Ghana for the in push you their image because you Nigeria for. Let's side with logic kakra, no science side with logic and so. Say me up to colonial head. Now colonial head and president Bonino. You to me we need to ever play that role. So me can see for that role for a light skin. 2, business wise. So me for Nigeria for I'm mobile attracting Nigeria for me to watch that particular movie and I'll get my money.
Yeah. Me follow senior.
So me call me Ghana for enquire. Chances say, a Ghana for community one may attract a high.
Yeah.
So why don't I mix it?
Before you muka can I make their far?
Simple. It's me a promotion ha. Nigeria for any super back when you are a deputy. And that one movie I did exactly.
Yeah.
If you want to now use that moment as another educational moment. No, okay, logic. Nigeria follow. I'm not bet money again. It may far away because of see. Let me talk on it.
That's I say.
At the end of the day, the person now becomes an ambassador for your work.
Yeah.
But that no who don't read that you that can happen. Hey, let me tell you that you couldn't spend time for me. That is how it's supposed to be. But when as you see in your it is kakra. Me assure so could you say the number of years already in Ghana movie industry, we deserve some form of reverence. I can say you win a salute, you win a junior now, okay, money need.
And senior, I was at Kwajo Council, a raisy, you be said, Nanyum baby bar, why no Ghana in Yinano. Said I could shout and farm on for you breakdown, talking about it. Or the Omon fan and you crying, and they're now in Kumasi. Ben or Spain, you cry when you because then Kawonya back you cry Ben, at least, or better say. But say on canning your wasem da. Nani movie a boka kofa we mo kwas or buyer or try to make comments about it in looking so well into the eyes of people living without the budget being released, that is what Johnson points of a year of free but say or has tell them what a grand agenda against whatever work he does.
No, maybe I believe in innocent and still proven otherwise. I believe in that. So you use the platform, the chance to educate him other than to attack. Yeah. Still now, if you want to an only sentiment now, then you can think. So, who limit a pony, not still on Tiafi, not still with that. And what do you idea? Say, it can't be our first be out, and one of the Kawadi, I do support you. Yeah. And in any case, I am too for Kakase, who's time around because media. It makes market music in the industry. He's not a feeling or social media in Kuno, almost no. So it's hard for me to believe that this could be an agenda.
Okay.
I think it's an agenda.
Okay. Did you say?
Mr. Black.
Meda series say o Jim Rani edin komo. Slim K Dabaha Obama edin komo. He seated here. Inti meda was ma
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, OG. But that's it.
DJ Slim and Yenene Kodin Komo about Telecel Ghana Music Awards. We talk about errors and omissions. We talked about a whole lot. Kojon cancer, I heard all other factors. As I said, what's an Slim Kid is seated. He's right here.